Hey guys, I got this amazing chair that I want to share with you that was sent over to me by a brand called TCEK. TCEK, thank you so much for reaching out to me to review this chair, and I can already tell you up front that I am a fan. So guys, let's go check it out. Hey guys, so I am here at my local park, and it is a beautiful day here in the state of Virginia. I'm here to introduce you to this amazing chair. This is the RiseLite portable moon chair, and what is so unique about this chair is that it's an adjustable height chair. Another cool feature about this chair is that it has this little side slit that allows for storage, and it has these little built-in rings that maybe you can hang your keys or maybe a little portable light. The base of the chair is made out of aircraft grade aluminum, so this is where the bulk of the weight of the chair is coming in at, which is 4.9 pounds, and it seats up to a max of 230 pounds. So guys, look at the fabric of this chair. This is nylon fabric. It is very light, very breathable. It has these two mesh screens that allow for that additional ventilation, and it is double stitch. So it is, they say it's tear proof and waterproof. Now, the reason why I brought this chair out to this park is because it has like a sandy beach, and I wanted to test out if this chair will sink in the sand, because not only can you use this at camping, you can use it at the beach. So let's check it out. Yeah, it's holding up, it's not sinking, so that is a plus. And this chair allows for the wiggle room. It moves with your body, it conforms to your body, it doesn't sink. So a very nice chair, very comfortable. And what I love about this chair is that it folds down and lets out almost like an umbrella. So when you want to fold it down, you just push the button in. And one of the most important things that you have to remember if you get this chair is to ensure that when you push this button in and you close it, you remove your hands out the center of the chair. Otherwise, it's going to be very painful. So here it is, we have it folded down, and all we have to do is push these buttons in. And there you have it. It folds down. All right, guys, to test out this chair. These little cute kids are all wet. They just came out of the water, so I'm gonna let them sit in on the chair to see how wet it gets. All right, guys, let me pull this out. All right, make sure that is pulled all the way out so nobody gets hurt. You gonna sit in it?
Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay. There you go.
All right, is it comfortable?
Yeah, it is.
Can you move your body a little bit?
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Okay. You like it?
Yeah.
Who else wants to sit in it? All right, let's go.
Right. Oh, yeah, it doesn't.
They are soaking wet. You like it? Is it comfortable? Okay.
What? I don't try it. I want to try it. I want to try it. You guys got. Come on, get up. I want to try it. Look how it's not that wet.
That's okay. It's supposed to be waterproof.
It's so cool.
All right.
Woo! Lady's spicy, yo. I'm not lady, bro.
Is it comfortable?
Yeah.
They are getting soaking wet. Is it comfortable? Yeah. You like it? Okay. Who's next?
You know,
Whoa, it's not even that wet.
Guys, it's really comfy.
yes.
It's very comfortable.
10 out of 10.
A
Guys,
10
10
out of 10.
Okay, you want to sit in it? Okay, let me lift it up for you.
Oh.
It's a high chair.
Whoa. Where can we buy this?
Yeah, we get it on Amazon. Okay, since you're so tall, you go ahead and sit in it.
Emma,
That's
that's
a little How's that? Is it comfortable?
Yeah.
Wiggle in it. Wiggle.
This is man. It's a song.
It kind of like conforms to your body, right?
Yeah, it does.
What's that?
Okay.
How does that feel?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
All right. Anybody else? Everybody sat in it?
Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
We love going
Thank
to
you.
We love
Thank
you.
Buy it from Amazon.
Yes,
Buy it from Amazon.
Buy it from Amazon, guys.
Buy it from
Amazon.
It's worth it. It's really worth it. Bye.
Well, there you have it, TCEK. The kids approved. That was so impromptu. That was so cute. They wanted to know if I was making a video for TikTok or Instagram. I told them YouTube and asked them if they wanted to be in the video. So there we have it. All right. And it's drying out. It's drying out really good. Look at that. All right, guys, I am going to put the Amazon link of this chair in the description box. Right now, they do have a 30% coupon. If you have any questions regarding this chair, please let me know. TCEK, thank you so much for sending this chair. I love it. It is replacing my current moon chair, which I keep in my car, so that it is readily available. And everybody else, I will see you guys in about 5 or 6 days for my first fall camp. I'll see you then. Bye.